Imagine a world where precision and safety in CNC machining are taken to the next level. The Astro 6R controller from Q's Technology is here to revolutionize your operations. Equipped with encoder feedback for all axes, the Astro 6R ensures unparalleled accuracy and safety, making it a top choice for professionals. Its integrated PLC and macro programming capabilities allow for seamless and efficient control, enhancing productivity like never before. The control panel is thoughtfully designed with multiple functions, including an emergency stop button, ensuring user safety at all times. With a simultaneous interpolation speed that surpasses other controllers like the F54 and F86, the Astro 6R stands out in performance. The Astro 6R controller is compatible with most CNC machines, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. Its robust aluminium anodized outer case and compact dimensions of 325 by 295 by 42 mm make it both durable and space efficient. Supporting up to 6 axes, the Astro 6R offers extensive control options, including advanced compensation features for backlash and pitch errors and RTCP. The controller's comprehensive G-code support covers a wide range of functions, from positioning and interpolation to drilling and tapping cycles. Experience the future of CNC machining with the Astro 6R controller, where precision meets innovation. Elevate your operations today.